no. She's kind of not saying no right here. You're gonna go to sleep at night and be like, dang it, I miss 100% of the chances I don't take.
God, I'll do it.
Yes! I love it. Do you want to be on my YouTube channel?
Sure, I guess.
Oh, so you're not getting out of this. I need you to be next, okay? Okay, yay. Tonight's theme is all about teaching people how to belt. Do you know what belt is?
Kinda, yeah.
Okay, it's the same voice that we sing in when we speak, right? But I'm not needing you to do that right now. I'm just needing you to sing as if you'd be in your shower or in your kitchen, singing just for you alone.
Okay,
Because I want to
okay.
know what that sounds like first without you trying to be good.
Oh, my
Okay?
face is getting hot.
So why don't you just do the very first part of the national anthem?
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we stand at the twilight's last gleaming?
Or maybe Hail.
I forgot it.
Yeah, you did. You forgot the national anthem. It's fine. It's fine.
fine,
No
guys.
one will know.
They're gonna know.
I hear the train a-comin', it's rolling round the bend. I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. I'm stuck in Folsom Prison, and time keeps dragging on.
Yeah.
But that train keeps a-rollin' down to San Antone.
Ooh, the low note is my favorite.
That's where I'm very comfortable. I'm
Wow.
less comfortable if I go higher, so.
A lot of
Yeah.
men are this way. And if,
Yeah.
for those of you who are watching, if this is your problem, then keep watching this because I'm gonna fix it right now.
She is messy, but she's kind. She is lonely most of the time. She is all of this mixed up and baked in a beautiful pie. She is gone, but she used to be mine.
Oh my gosh, I've hit the vocal jackpot! You sang most of it in your head voice, which was very pretty actually, and you were on pitch, there was nothing wrong with it.
Okay.
But today is belt day. I am going to teach you how to change the register that you're singing in from head voice to chest voice. I want, oh, say, can you say?
Oh, okay.
I'm almost singing say a little bit,
Okay.
but I'm thinking see, but I'm singing say. I want you to say, hey!
Hey.
Oh.
What is even that?
Hey!
I don't know how to.
Like someone just stole your purse, bro. Hey!
Hey!
Now you gotta do it
Okay.
higher. Hey!
Hey!
But that's not chest. Hey! And hey! There you go. When you sing higher, those rich tones kind of get lost, right?
Right,
It's not
right.
the same place, and you can actually feel it change.
I can feel it, I can hear it.
But there is a way to add heft and depth to those higher notes, and it all comes from here.
Okay.
So, do you trust me?
Yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you mind if I like beat you up a little bit?
No.
Okay, great. I'm gonna come behind you.
Okay. All right.
I'm gonna totally Heimlich maneuver you
All right.
on these top parts where I don't
Okay.
feel,
Yep.
where I don't feel that you've got enough support going on. And I want you to push against me, and I
Okay.
want you to like literally try to, like, this is a sport right now.
Okay.
If you're not sweating by the time you're finished, we haven't
right.
done it right, all right? So I hear, and I'm gonna push in,
right.
and you're gonna push against, okay?
All right.
And
I hear the train a-comin'.
Yes.
It's rolling round the bend.
Yes.
I ain't seen the sunshine since I don't know when. I'm stuck in Folsom Prison.
keep going.
And time keeps dragging on.
Yes.
But that train keeps rolling down to San Antone.
Okay, well, I'm sweating. That was-
I could feel a difference though.
Oh wow,
for sure.
and I heard a
Yeah.
difference. I love your vibrato. I love your tone. It's beautiful. You're actually a natural mixer, and so this belt theme today is perfect for you because I want to teach you how to belt that very top note. We're actually going to grab the power from our toes, and on the lonely, we're gonna squat down and we're gonna come back up.
Okay.
So I want you to engage your legs. I want you to engage your abs, and I want you to project the sound forward and drop your jaw as big as you can.
Okay.
Okay?
She is messy, but she's kind. She is lonely most of the time. She is all of this mixed up and baked in a beautiful pie. She is gone, but she used to be mine. Yeah.
It sounded so free to me. Did it
Yeah.
feel free
Yeah,
to you?
it did, yeah.
Okay, good. So you don't need to mix those notes. You have a big belt inside of you. Say and bye. Huge.
Okay. Oh, say, can you stay by the dawn's early light?
Savannah, oh my gosh, how did that feel?
Pretty loud. That was good.
Yeah, and you did so
That was
amazing.
smart, yeah.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank
Give me
you.
a hug.
And if you're somebody who loves to sing, join the only social media for singers online. You can become a member by clicking the link in my description box below.